In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up your Roku Ultra streaming player on a TV or a monitor. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This really is pretty simple, but inside the box itself, you're going to see the Roku Ultra, a charging cable for the remote, an HDMI cable, and a power cable. That's really all you need in order to set up a Roku itself. On the back of the Roku Ultra, you're going to see that power port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and a USB port. If your remote does need charging, plug the USB-C cable into the remote and connect it to power. And begin by plugging one end of the HDMI cable into the Roku Ultra. Plug the other side into an HDMI port on your TV or monitor and connect the power cable to the back of the Roku Ultra and just plug it into the wall. If you prefer a wired connection, you can also plug Ethernet into here as well, but wireless setup works the exact same. But to pair the remote, what you got to do is remove the little battery tab from the remote if it's still attached, and then switch your TV to the correct HDMI input. From here, press and hold the power button and the back button on the Roku remote for about 5 seconds, and the light on the remote should start flashing green, and you'll see a message on your screen whenever it connects. Choose the language to begin, and from here, the setup process is the exact same. So select your Wi-Fi, set up that new wireless connection, enter in your password. It's also going to ask you to set up your TV's power and volume control. After doing that, just activate your Roku account by either signing in or creating a new account. And from here, you may see a voice assistant setting. Go ahead and set this up if you would like. It is completely optional though, but overall it really is as simple as that. That is how you can set up the Roku Ultra from start to finish. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.